Hello student, in this class we talk about toolbar. Toolbar is by default assigned in left side in a single row. If you are using a small screen and you are not able to access these tools, you can click on these two small arrow, and if you click on this it will expand in two row. If you click again, this will collapse like this. If you click and hold and drag outside, this will detach from the UI. And if you click again and drag, a blue line indicates the snapping option. If you release this toolbar snap into UI again. I click and drag this toolbar again. If you by mistake click on this small cross button, this will gone. And if you reassign this toolbar on the UI, go to Windows menu. In the toolbar, click on basic because by default basic toolbar is assigned. I click on this. Toolbar is available now. You can click and drag and snap again to UI. When you hover your mouse on a tool, a pop-up highlight with the tool name and its shortcut. Some tool has a small triangle in the bottom of these tool. It means it's a group. When you click and hold and right click, this will expand like this. Tool name and tool shortcut is available. If you click on this small arrow, this will detach from the tool group and you can place anywhere in the artboard like this. And if you want to close this, click on the small cross button like this and tool will gone. If you are a previous user of Adobe Illustrator and recently switch on the newer version, you notice some tool is missing. If I right click on the pen tool, only two tool is available here, but this group has four tool. Two tool is missing, add anchor point tool and delete anchor point tool. If you want to assign these tool, click on three dot and you can find the missing tool in this flyout. Highlighted tool is not assigned on the toolbar. If you want to assign these, click and drag on the toolbar and tool will assign on the toolbar. And the second option is click on these three lines and choose advanced option. In the advanced option, all tool is available on the toolbar. To exit from the magic wand tool, I click on the selection tool and click again on these three dots and choose basic toolbar again. And the second option that you can use, click on the essential. Adobe recently introduced a classic workspace. Click on the essential classic. Now all the tool is available on the toolbar and top bar is also available same as CS versions. Now I click on the essential classic again and choose essential. So it's all about the toolbar. I hope you like this information. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.